In the heart of the rainforest, where the wild calls my name, I set up my camp where the world feels the same. With the canopy above and the earth soft beneath, I'm lost in the rhythm of nature's sweet breath. The rain is a lullaby, falling soft and slow, as I sit by the fire with the moon's gentle glow. In the silence of the night and the whisper of the trees, I find my peace in the symphony of leaves. I'm camping in the rainforest where the green is so deep. With the rain as my companion, I find my soul's keep. Singing out my heart, the stars as my guide. In this natural haven, I let my spirit glide. The mist rises softly, wrapping me in its embrace, as I wander through the ferns, feeling nature's grace. Every droplet on the leaves, every whisper in the air, plays a tune of tranquility beyond compare. The fire's crackling softly as the night takes its hold, in this forest sanctuary where the stories are told. With the symphony of nature and the stars shining bright, I find my song in the heart of the night. I'm camping in the rainforest where the green is so deep. With the rain as my companion, I find my soul's keep. Singing out my heart, the stars as my guide. In this natural haven, I let my spirit glide. Underneath the emerald canopy, where the wild things roam, I'm connected to the earth, I found my way home. With every note I sing and every breath I take, I'm one with the forest and the silence that I make. I'm camping in the rainforest where the green is so deep. With the rain as my companion, I find my soul's keep. Singing out my heart, the stars as my guide. In this natural haven, I let my spirit glide. So here in the rainforest, with nature's gentle rain, I sing my song of peace in the heart of the rain. With the forest as my chorus and the rain as my tune, I'm embraced by the night under the silver moon.